Hi, welcome back. I'm Rachel on Grandma Ray Don't Play YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my southern fried chicken on the stove. Okay, my southern fried chicken on the stove. Normally, you know, I cook with the air fryer oven, pressure cooker. But today I'm going to show you how to cook my fried chicken on the stove. Okay? Alright, so let me adjust the camera. Let's get started, okay? Because Grandma Ray Don't Play can't wait. Alright, 1 second. Okay, so what we're using today is I have 4 chicken thighs. Alright, I washed them, and after I wash them, I take like a little knife, like a paring knife, and I just slice a slice right on each side of the bone. Okay, that's so that the oil can get in there and cook that real good. And then I dry them with a paper towel because I want them nice and dry. I don't want any water at all. Uh-oh, I can't talk. At all. Okay? Alright, so this is my flour. Okay, this is regular all-purpose flour. And in the flour, I added some Larry's seasoning salt, some garlic, Larry's, some garlic powder, I use Creole pepper, but if you don't like your stuff hot, you can use black pepper, okay? And I use 2 packages of sassoon, okay? So that's what I put in the flour, and I'm going to put the same exact seasonings on the chicken, okay? Alright, so let's do that. I got the skin side down to the plate. I have my oil on, getting hot. And now I already added the garlic powder, the Larry's, and now I'm going to add the Creole pepper and sassoon. This is what really gives it that great flavor. Sassoon. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn it over and repeat the process. Larry's seasoning, garlic powder, pepper of your choice. I'm using Creole, but you can use regular, and sassoon. And you really want to season it well, because the difference between some good tasting chicken and some other chicken is the seasonings. Alright, and my last package of sassoon, and we're good. So this, the flour will batter 4 to 6 pieces of chicken, okay, in the same process. Alright? Alright, when you put the sassoon in your flour, you want to see like an orange color. If you don't see an orange color, put some more in. Okay? Okay, so we're going to flour that up really good. And now we're going to put our first piece in to test our oil to see how hot it is. Today I'm using vegetable oil, something I never use, but I am using that today because I want it just like southern fried chicken. You hear that oil? Good and hot. And that was on for about 10 minutes or so, heating up. Okay, after you flour it on both sides, let me show you the frying pan. That would help. There you go. Got a view of the frying pan now. Alright. So I'm on my third piece. Now I don't save oil after I fry food, and I do not save the flour batter because the blood from the chicken is in there, and I just don't think that's healthy to save it and try to use it again. So all that goes in the trash when I'm finished. Okay, and I get fresh oil every time. And so the reason why people try to save oil is because they're trying to save on the cost. Well, the best way to save on the cost is don't fill up the frying pan with a lot of oil. You just want it to coat the bottom of the chicken, not the bottom and the top of the chicken, just the bottom of the chicken, okay? All right, so you see we're frying, okay? And I'm gonna wash my hands, and when I get ready to turn that over, I'll be back, okay? All right. Okay, so we're gonna check it and see how the cooking process is going. It's been cooking for about, I would say, 10 minutes. So you notice I have a mesh over it, right? This is so that the grease don't splash all over your kitchen, so the cleanup is better, okay? So that's what that's for. And it doesn't splash on you as well. Alright, so let's turn it over. See what's happening. Okay, let me show you this side. You see that? Looking pretty good, right? But it's not done. Just turn it over, and you may have to turn it over several times before the process is complete. And when we think it's complete, we're going to check it with the thermometer, okay? Alright, well, not the thermometer, the temperature, and see if the temperature is at 165. Alright? Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just wanted to tell you that I have the fire on a medium level, okay? So right in the middle, okay? Medium. So we're going to check it out and turn it over again. Remember I said you have to turn it over several times. Okay, we turned all four over, and we're going to let it continue to cook, okay? So far, we've been cooking it for about 20 minutes. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, we're going to turn it over one more time so the skin side is down. Then after this, we'll turn it with the skin side up, and we'll check the temperature, okay? So we're going to let this cook another 5 minutes or so. Okay? Alright. We'll be back. Okay, I think we should be good. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to turn it so that the skin side is up. It looks good. Okay, the skin side is up. So let's take a piece out and check the temperature, shall we? Take it out. Make sure you get a thermometer. Okay, I'm going to move it over to the counter, the camera a little. Okay, here we go. Alright, you want to turn the thermometer on. You want to put it in from the side so it goes right into the middle. And you want to wait until the temperature reaches 165. We're at 1. Let me reset this. It's not moving. Okay, try that again. Okay, we're at 168. We're done. So what I do is I drain my chicken on a paper towel so that the oils fall off and drain onto the paper towel. Okay, you can cut that off. When that cools completely down, let the oil cool completely down, then you can throw it away when it's cold. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna plate up and let you take a look at that. Okay? Alrighty. Okay, let's show you the end product. So here's 3 of the fried chicken thighs that I cook. Remember, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play Southern fried chicken on the stove. Okay? Okay, so that's 3 of them, and I have my plate set to eat. Earlier on another setting, I made potato salad, and so I put the potato salad here, and these are tomatoes from my garden, and the chicken, fried chicken, the 4th piece of fried chicken. You like that? Let me give you another view, and another one. How about that, huh? You like that? Cool, right? Okay, so we're gonna give it a taste, shall we? Let's see, let me give it a taste. Oh, I can't wait to cut into this chicken. Oh, look at that. Okay, let me adjust the camera so you can see me. Okay, I'm tasting the fried chicken. It's hot. Oh my goodness. Very flavorful, seasoned right, crispy. Kentucky Fried Chicken have nothing on this chicken. I love it. I love it. Okay, and I have some potato salad on my plate and some tomatoes. Let me grab some of that. Delicious. Potato salad with fried chicken is awesome. Awesome. And I have a tomato from my garden. Delicious. Okay, so that concludes my fried chicken on the stove segment. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and you know I'm Rachel. And let me give you the word of the day. Worry ye not. Don't worry. It's gonna be alright. Okay? Alright. Talk to you soon. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe and tell some people, you know, share the video, and let some people know we're over here, and I'm looking for some more people to subscribe. Okay? Alright. Love you. Bye-bye.